The fruit with the most protein is guava. The fruit with the least protein is watermelon. The fruit with the highest calories is dates. The fruit with the lowest calories is strawberries. The fruit with the most vitamin A is mango. The fruit with the least vitamin A is apples. The fruit with the most fiber is raspberries. The fruit with the least fiber is grapes. The fruit with the most potassium is bananas. The fruit with the least potassium is blueberries. The fruit with the most vitamin K is kiwi. The fruit with the least vitamin K is bananas. The fruit highest in antioxidants is blueberries. The fruit lowest in antioxidants is melons. The fruit with the most iron is prunes. The fruit with the least iron is oranges. The fruit with the most calcium is oranges. The fruit with the least calcium is apples. The fruit with the most folate, vitamin B9, is papaya. The fruit with the least folate is cherries. Which one of these is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments.
Thank you. Happy gardening.